Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Sims 4 startup error. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna open Steam, go to Library, find Sims 4, right click on it, go to Properties, go to Installed Files, and then verify the integrity of the game files. And after that is done, you want to close this out. Now you want to right click again on it, go to Manage, click Browse Local Files. Now we're here, you want to go to Game, Bin, and find the TS4 x64. You want to right click on it, go to Properties, go to Compatibility, and you will make sure that you have disable full screen optimization and run this program as an admin. Click Apply, click OK. Exit out of this, open your NVIDIA or AMD driver app, go to drivers, make sure you download the latest drivers. After that, you want to go to System. You want to make sure that G-Sync is off. If it's on, you want to disable it. Go to Settings. You want to also disable the NVIDIA overlay if it's on. After that, all of that, and then you restart your PC and the game doesn't work yet. What also you can do is go to Steam back again, go to Library, find Sims, right click on it, click Properties, go to Installed Files, and you want to move the install folder. If you have it on like a secondary drive that is not your local disk C where your operating system is, you want to move it to that. And after you move all the game files, you want to verify them again. And after you've done all of that, restart your PC and the Sims should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Sims 4 startup error. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.